During the 1950s, scientists in Britain were becoming fascinated by a remarkable idea. Could humans actually make clouds produce more rain? The answer led to Project Cumulus, a British program involving atmospheric research and cloud seeding experiments. Scientists experimented with introducing substances into clouds to encourage rainfall. At the time, the technology was considered highly promising. If humans could influence clouds, perhaps droughts could be reduced and rainfall could be increased. But then came August 1952. In the small coastal village of Lynmouth, Devon, days of intense rainfall caused enormous amounts of water to rush down the surrounding hills and valleys. The result was catastrophic. Buildings were destroyed, cars and debris were swept through the streets, and 34 people lost their lives. Soon, a disturbing question emerged. Had Britain's own weather experiments caused the disaster? The theory was fueled by the fact that cloud seeding experiments had been taking place during the same period. Some stories even claimed that aircraft had seeded clouds shortly before the flood. But there was a problem. There is no conclusive evidence that Project Cumulus caused the Lynmouth disaster. The extreme flooding can be explained by exceptionally heavy rainfall, combined with the area's steep terrain and geography. The alleged connection between the experiments and the flood remains controversial. But Project Cumulus did reveal something important. Weather modification was not science fiction. Governments really were experimenting with ways to influence precipitation. And that raises a question that continues to appear whenever catastrophic flooding occurs. Could humans actually be manipulating the weather today? Cloud seeding is still used in various parts of the world. Modern programs attempt to enhance rainfall or snowfall, reduce hail, or influence clouds under specific atmospheric conditions. However, that does not mean scientists can create hurricanes, summon massive storms, or deliberately flood entire regions. The World Meteorological Organization has stated that there is currently no demonstrated method for humans to create or control severe weather systems on that scale. So when devastating floods occur around the world today, there is no credible evidence linking them to Project Cumulus. Climate change, extreme rainfall, tropical storms, melting snow and ice, rising sea levels, deforestation, urban development, and poor drainage can all contribute to modern flooding. Still, Project Cumulus leaves behind an unsettling piece of history. Governments really did attempt to manipulate the atmosphere. The experiments were real. The technology was real. But whether humans ever gained anything close to the power to control the weather, that remains a very different question.